Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a isometric view and this is a drive end plate and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this project is a hydraulic pump project, and today discuss here this part is design here, and all parts is one by one is drawing, and last is this body is assemble here. At first drawing this body 2D drafting is also available here. This is a top view and this is a front view and this is a right view, and this body is drawing here isometric view. Okay, and all dimension and all geometry is design here, and how to this body is design. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and this is a all back side and front side is this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, all view is present here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct drawing here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design and how to this body is design, and this body is a design and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is very important, and this setting is a plain white, and going to this option and this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is drawing a help of all 2D drafting is available here. Okay, at first drawing a rectangle, a center rectangle. This is a 120 millimeter and this is a 19 millimeter. Okay, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane. Plane is use a front plane is better, and select okay. This is a center rectangle is at first drawing here. Okay, and define dimension. This is a length is this width is a 90 millimeter and this length is a 120 millimeter. Okay, this is perfect and correct. Okay, and some fillet is used here. This fillet is used here. Radius is 9 millimeter. Okay, this fillet is 9 millimeter, and select okay, this delete here, and select all 4 corner. Okay, and click OK. Drawing a circle is this all 4 corner is circle is drawing here. This diameter is a 9 millimeter. Okay, select this all circle is drawing here. This diameter is 9 millimeter and all 4 corner is drawing here. Okay, this circle is defined. Dimension is a 9 millimeter diameter, and select all 4 corner, all 4 circle, and going to select a equal. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and okay, and this body is this thickness is a 12.5 millimeter is this. Okay, and select a extrude boss base is apply here, and this is a 12.5 millimeter is perfect. okay, and correct. Okay, okay, this is perfect and correct. Okay, uh, okay, and select this face, sketch, drawing okay, a center line, and this is a perfect and correct. And draw a circle, and circle is a, this is a, draw a circle. Okay, and this distance is a 15. Okay, this is a correct. This a big circle is drawing here. This distance is a, this point to this distance is 15.5, and big circle is diameter is a 80 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 15.5, and this diameter is a 80 millimeter. Okay, okay, and next is a, okay, okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, and this is a, this thickness is a 7.2. Okay, and use a extrude boss base, and this is a, this thickness is a 7.2. Okay, okay, and this face sketch, normal, drawing a circle, and circle is drawing here at this point. Okay, and this diameter is a, this diameter is a 20 millimeter. This diameter is 20 millimeter, and this cutout is a through all, and this dimension is a mention here a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this use a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a through all. Select here because all is a cut here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and also select a, this use a, okay, and this use also 30 cutout is better, and also select this face sketch, normal, and select a circle, and circle is drawing here a cutout is a, this diameter is a 30 millimeter. Okay, and also use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this use a 12.5 millimeter. Okay, not through all, but 12.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. And select a back side, and some sketch a geometry line. Okay, select this face sketch, normal. At first draw a center line, because drawing a, okay, at first drawing a center line. Okay, okay, and at first select a center point arc, and draw this drawing a some drag here. This point, press a control button, and this point is select and horizontal line. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Drawing this design. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is a distance is a 51 millimeter, and this is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is a 50 millimeter. Is this define this 50 millimeter? Okay, and draw a circle. Okay, this draw a circle, and this circle is a draw a circle, and diameter is this 10 millimeter. Okay, this, and some important dimension is this this point to this line is a 29 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 29.5 millimeter. Okay, this dimension is very important. Okay, this is a 29 millimeter, and this is 29.5 millimeter is cut out here. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, and next is a this point. Press a control button and select this point. This is a vertical line. Okay, and drawing at first select a 3-point arc, and arc is select this point, drag this is a perfect this. Okay, select here, and this point press a control button, press a control button and select this center and use this merge point. Okay, and this point is a horizontal. Okay, this is use this okay, and this is delete here, and dimension is a this dimension is a 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here. Select a line is this line is a this line is this select this this is a this connect to this point to some drag here. Okay, and this point to this. Okay, this point to this. Okay, and this is a this point distance is a this point is a 42 millimeter. Okay, this distance is of 42 millimeter is this very very important, and this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and also use this okay, and some fillet is used here this to this okay, and this fillet is used here some sketch fillet is 5 millimeter is this and this fillet is this 5 millimeter, and also use a 1.5 millimeter is this and select this, and okay, this and this is very very important. Okay, and okay, and this use a mirror, and mirror is a okay, all is perfect drawing here, and mirror is this select this and this point. Okay, and this use this point, this line and this line and this line, and select this circle. Okay, all is perfect and use this. Okay, click okay, but this is a extra line trim entities use here, and this is a portion is delete here. Click okay, okay, and both circle is drawing here, but both circle is select here, and this use a construction geometry. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct okay, and also select a mirror entities and select this select here this okay, also select this okay, all is select here, and use this line and click okay. Okay, not extra line is drawing here, all is check here. Okay, all is perfect and correct okay, and okay, and use a extrude boss base, and select this and select this, and use a thickness is only 3 millimeter. Okay, because this thickness is only 3 millimeter is used here. Okay, and okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and also use a fillet. Fillet is a 1.5 millimeter, and this is a perfect, and select a fillet is use 1 millimeter, but 1.5 is better, and also select this 1 by 1. So select this and select this. Okay, 1.5 is better and perfect okay, okay, and select this face sketch normal. Okay, and select escape this face sketch normal. Okay, and circle is all this center point is select here, and this and all 4 circle is drawing here. Okay, and this diameter is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and select this circle and press a control button, and all 4 circle is selected one by one, and click a equal. Okay, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is this okay, extrude cut is only 0.5 millimeter. Okay, 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 this is a perfect cutting here. And next is a okay, okay, some important point. Okay, okay, and select this sketch. This face is selected and normal, and use a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here. This state tab. State tab is very important, and this use a standard and bottoming tapered hole, and size is M10, and blind, and this use a 17. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect. And position, and select here this select here this. Okay, okay, this and this to this. Okay, and some define a dimension. This distance to this is a 58 okay millimeter. This distance is 58 millimeter, and this distance to this is a 29 millimeter is perfect. And this to this is a 59 millimeter. Okay, 59 millimeter, and also this to this is a okay. Okay, this distance is perfect and correct. And this point, and press a control button, and this is a horizontal, and this point, and press a control button, and this is a vertical. Okay, and this both is a vertical line. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct drawing here. And this is a okay, and this is a very nice, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. Select here, and going to option, document properties, image quality. Okay, no detailing, and this is a cosmetic thread is a check here, and click OK. And this cosmetic thread is apply here, and this is a use a okay, this is a perfect looking here. And this use a cosmetic thread is you can see here on this body. Okay, and perfect drawing here. And next is a okay, some important point discuss here. Okay, all is perfect. Some use a right plane and a sketch normal and use some important point. This is a okay, and drawing a center line, drawing a center rectangle. This point draw a center rectangle, and this is a hole cutout, and this is a 2 millimeter, and this point to this select this okay, this distance is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and all dimension is perfect. Okay, and this is a revolve cut, and at first center line is a drawing here. This center line is a draw here, and also use a this, and this use a cutout is revolve cut, and okay, select this axis of revolution is select here, and this is a cutout is a this, and this cutout is better, and normal body, and select this. Okay, okay, and again select this two hole cut, first and second is this. Okay, and next is this, and again select a chamfer is use here 0.5 millimeter, 0.5 millimeter, and okay, this is a 0.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and select this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and next point is this. Okay, and select this face, normal, not a sketch, and draw a whole wizard, and whole wizard is this. Some important point, this. Okay, and a simple hole is created here. Going to a simple hole is created here, this, and okay, and at first drawing this ISO standard, this is a trail size, size is okay, okay, some important point. This okay, this is this size is 4. Okay, and this use a blind, and going to this 3 millimeter, and this is a perfect, and some important point. Okay, okay, and position sketch, drawing this and drawing this, okay, and define dimension is this is a 45 millimeter, okay, 45 millimeter, and also select this dimension is a 45 millimeter, okay, okay, this, okay, both is a perfect and correct, and click OK, okay, and also not this, and select a cosmetic thread, detailing, and okay, all is perfect, okay, okay, all is perfect and correct drawing here, and all geometry line is a, and all mention here, all geometry line is drawing here, and all geometry dimension is used here easily and clearly, okay, and going to this appearance, okay, this is a use a appearance, and use a metal, and metal is brush, and brush is a this, and okay, all is perfect and correct, and all point is discussed here one by one, and this point is very useful and helpful drawing this body, and okay, all point is learn here easily and clearly, okay guys, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this part is a design here, a sliding jaw, and sliding jaw is very important of this bench wise lathe machine body, and this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and how to all parts is assembled here. Okay, today discuss here at first drawing one by one all parts is drawing here, and last is all parts is assembled here one by one. Okay, this is a sliding jaw, and this body is a sliding jaw, and how to this body is designed today discuss here. Okay, and all view is you can see here on the screen, and this is isometric view is this body, and all dimension in inches, okay, and this is a top view, and this thickness is a 2.56 inch, okay, and this is a front view, and this all geometry you can see here, and then plane select better is a front view, and then this is a right view is a geometry you can see here, okay, okay, this body is a drawing this body, and how to this body is a drawing here, and one by one all process is learn here, okay, and this is a cutting, sliding key is cutting here, and okay, all is a, this is a hole wizard is used here, and this is also a hole wizard is used here, but this is not mentioned here, and this lecture is you can see here, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student, and one by one is all point is a learn here, okay, okay guys, let's start here. This body is design, okay, okay, at first going to this part, and part is a select here, and some setting is very important, and this is a inch, okay, and going to plain white, and going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct, okay, okay, all dimension is set here, and at first select this, okay, use a front plane, this is a length is a drawing this design here, at first select this dimension 1.5 inches this length, and point 0.875 inches this length to this, and this is a, and this distance is a 0.75 inches. Okay, and this is a 2.75 inch. Okay, and this is a 1 inches. Okay, one by one is drawing here. At first select front plane. Center line is a drawing here. Okay, drawing a center line, this. Okay, draw a line is a this line, this to. Okay, drawing a this. Okay, a simple line is a drawing here, and then one by one is all is connect here. Mention this dimension, this distance is a 1.5 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.875 inch. Okay, this is a perfect, and this distance is a 0.75 inch. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a this, and also this is a this. Okay, this is a this, and this distance is a, all distance is perfect here. Okay, and use this dimension is, this is a drawing a line a 1.5 inch, and this is use a 0.75 inch, and this is a 0.875 inch. Okay, all is perfect. And then use a mirror, and a mirror is this, and select here this, and select a line. Okay, and okay, and connect to this and this line to this. Okay, and this line to this is a connect here, connect to this. Okay, this distance is a mention here 1 inch. Okay, and this distance is a, this is a default value is a 2.75 inch. This is a perfect drawing here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And going to feature and extrude boss, and select this. Okay, this is a, okay, and this use a 2.56 inches thickness. This is a 2.56 inch thickness is a this, and direction is reverse is better. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this line is perfect, and material is apply here. This is a nickel, and material is apply here, going to this appearance and metal, and this is a nickel, and this is a perfect, and okay. Okay, this body is a drawing here, and next is a, okay, and next is a select this face, and okay, and this face is a select here, and a sketch normal. Okay, sketch a normal. Okay, and drawing a this some line. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and drawing a this. Okay, okay, this is a right view is a this point 1.75 inch, and this radius is 1.3 inch and 1.56 inch, and this distance, center distance is 0.13 inch, and this is a 1.19 inch. Perfect. Okay, and select a line. This is a this line is a drawing here, and select this, and okay, and okay, this is a line is this and okay, and drag here this, okay, and select a 3-point arc, and 3-point arc is connect to this, and this is a this, okay, okay, and this is a this, and this is a this, and dimension is apply here, this dimension, this distance is a this distance to this is a full distance is 1.75 inch, okay, and this distance to this is a distance is 1.56 inch, okay, and this radius is a 1.38 inch, okay, and this okay, but this, okay, and this use a delete here, and this circle is this, okay, and okay this distance to this is a 0.13 inch, okay, and this distance is a this use a 1.19 inch, okay, this is a fully defined, okay, and this line is a this line, and this line is a collinear, okay, perfect, okay, all is perfect and correct, and the next point is this, and okay, okay, all dimension is a perfect, and this use this is a 1.75 inch and 1.19 inch, this center is a maintained here, and this center is a this 1.3 inch, and this is a this, and 1.56 inch is this distance, okay, and 1.3 this is a radius, all value is a you can see here, and okay, extrude boss, and going to this up to surface and click OK, okay, all is perfect and correct, and go this is a okay, okay, and this is a perfect, okay, and all perfect is a correct, and going to this and okay, and all point is mentioned here this, and again select this face, sketch, normal, okay, drawing this point, this this line, and drawing this is a perfect, okay, and some use this line and vertical distance this, and angle is this is a cut out line, and this some point is cut out, and distance this is a 0.38 inches, okay, and this distance bottom 1.24 inch, okay, and okay, all is perfect, and then this use and then cutout is this, use this, okay, mention here, okay, 1.38, okay, this is a 1.38, 1.38, okay, this, and this use a, okay, and this dimension is use here, this is a cutout, this value is a 0.38 inch and this is a 1.38 inch is cut out here, and okay, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this use a, going to see, this is a flip side to cut, very important, and then this is a fully, and this value is a increase here, some extra, and this is a this, okay, some user through all, and okay, okay, this cutout is a perfect cutout, okay, all is a perfect drawing here, okay, and this cutout is a very important, and okay, and some select a material is this face and this, and okay, and this face, this is a, and going to this use a painted, and this is a candy apple red, okay, all is perfect and correct, okay, and next is use here this face sketch normal, and going to a line is a drawing here, a center line, drawing to this center line is this, and mention this dimension is mentioned here, okay, and dimension is this, this dimension is a 2.19, okay, and because apply this cutout is a hole, a circle is cut out, and then this circle is a 2.19 inch, and then this circle is a distance is a 1.37 inch, okay, or draw a circle, circle is this, diameter, this diameter is a, this is a 1.37 inch, okay, this two dimension is very important, and 2.19 inch, and this is a use a 1.37 inch, perfect, and click OK, and extrude boss, okay, and going to this normal, and some line is drawing here, this point to this connect here, and use a trim command, and this portion is delete here because this is not use, okay, and going to going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is apply here this up to surface, and then this is a perfect, okay, and select this face, and going to this material, okay, this color is okay, again select this face sketch normal, drawing a circle, circle is this is a circle is a drawing here, and this diameter is a 0.75 inch, okay, because this is a point diameter is a 0.75 inch, and this is a cutout, okay, and this is a very important, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a mention here, this a perfect cutting here, and this is a perfect cutting, and this is a only a, this is a use a, this value is very very important, and 1.187 is a perfect, and this is use a blind, and this 1.187 because this is not mentioned here, this use a okay, and okay, this is a perfect cutting. Okay, and this is a perfect, and again this use a hole wizard, and then use a thread, and again select this face normal, and going to hole wizard, and hole wizard is a, this is a state tab. State tab is a use here a inch, and tapered hole is a perfect, okay, and size is a okay, and this is a size is a very very important, and size is a 1 by 1 by 8 by 7, 1 by 1 by 8 by 7, okay, 1 by 1 by okay 1 by 1 by 8 by 7, and showing this cosmetic size, and some point is a change here, this this value is a 0.81, is inch, and this value is also mentioned here, and the next lecture is coming soon, then all value is a mentioned here, but this value is not mentioned here, okay, and okay, all is perfect, and some point is this, and this is use a blind, and this is a 0.44 inch, and this value is very very important, and okay, and uncheck a near side countersink, okay, all is perfect, and this is a 2.25 inch perfect, and all is correct, and 1 by 1 by 7, and all is perfect and correct, okay, okay, all is mentioned here, and going to this position, and this circle is this, and okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect cutting here, but this use then this and going to this near side countersink, then this is a okay, and this is this and this is a uncheck here, and this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and all is better drawing here, and okay, and this is a drawing this, and this is a cutout is a this, select this face, sketch normal, and center line is a this is a drawing here a center line, okay, and this line is a this a vertical line, going to vertical, and then use this corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is a drag here this, okay, and some use this, okay, and then define a dimension. Dimension is this, this is a 0.22 inch, and then this is a 0.19 inch, and this distance is a 0.51 inch. Okay, this is a perfect dimension, and this is use a black, this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and going to this cutout is a apply this cutout is a point, this distance is a 0.51 inch, and this is distance is a 0.22 inch, and this is a 0.19 inch. All is mentioned here is correct, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all, okay, and okay, and this use a mirror and select a plane, is a right plane is better, and going to mirror and select this, okay, this is a perfect, and okay, all is perfect. And next is a use this, and okay, and next is use here this is a, this face is a, select here and a sketch, and going to whole wizard, and whole wizard is a, this use a, this use this, this is a straight tab is you cutting here a whole wizard, and then use a inch and tapered hole, and this this value is very very important, and this is a, and 1/420, okay, and this is a 1/420, 1/420, okay, this size is very very important. And also this is a perfect, and this value is mentioned here, this is a perfect, okay, and this, okay, this is a blind, and going to this 0.63 inch, okay, and this is a 0.50 inch is perfect, and okay, all is perfect, okay, and going to position, and okay, this is a draw here, this one, and center line is a drawing here at first, because this is a very very important, and also drawing this, okay, and some relation is a mention here, and this relation is perfect, and going to this, okay, at first select this, define a relation, this distance between to this is a 1.5, okay, 1.5 is this, and this distance is a, select here this 1 inch, okay, this is a 1 inch is better, and a relation is very very important, and select this point and press a control button and select this line and this point, and all three is a symmetric, and this relation is very important. Okay, and this is a fully defined, and going to exit, and this is a perfect. But this thread is not so here, and going to option, document properties, and image. Okay, this is a detailing, and this shaded cosmetic thread is check here, and this is a okay, and then this preview, this thread is a showing here easily. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and also this is a this use a fillet is used here 2.25, and then going to fillet and select this 0.25 inch, and select this, and okay, and again this is a again select a fillet, and fillet is used here this okay, and this is a perfect drawing here, and okay, 1.13, okay, 0.125 is better, and 0.123 is also better, and this is a 1.25 is perfect, and this is this, and also this, and this all is a fillet is this, and select this, and this all fillet is used here, and okay, all is perfect, and okay. Okay, and both fillet is select here one by one, and then going to this okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, and this okay, and also this is a a back side is this face, select sketch this face and normal, check here, and this is a very important, and this thread is a 3 thread is used here, and this is a very important. Okay, and going to this hole wizard, and at first select a hole, 2 hole and 1 count state tab is used here, and at first going to this and okay, this is a perfect. At first select a hole, and this is a inch, and select a all drill size. Okay, all is perfect, and size is a size is only 25 is a better. Is a perfect. Okay, this is a 25, and going to this blind, and okay, and then okay, this is a okay, at first select this blind, and this is a 1 point, select 1.062. okay, and this blind is used here, and this is a thickness is a 1.062, and this is use size is a 25, and all drill size and inch, and going to position, and position is a select here this okay, and okay, and select a center line, drawing a center line is this vertical line. Okay, and some dimension is used here. This dimension is this and this dimension is select this point to this distance is 1.19 inch. Okay, and select a 1.19 inch, and this distance is this line here is a distance is a point. Okay, select here 0.31 inch. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and all is better, and this is a fully defined, and okay, and going to exit. Okay, and this is a hole is a this full is a select here this okay, and again select this. Next is a hole wizard is used here. This is a tapered hole. A tapered hole is this going to inch, and select here a tapered hole. This going to inch, and tapered hole is perfect, and also going to this value is very important. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a 1/420. Okay, this use a 1/420. Okay, this is perfect, and blind होता है, and this use a this this is a this use this, and this is a 0.75 inch perfect, and this is a 0.50 is all is perfect, and going to position, and again select this and this, and okay, okay, and again select this and going to hole wizard, and again select a hole, and this is a next is this, and and then use a very important and inch and all drill size, and then use a 7/32, and this is a very important 7/32, and then use a 7/32 is perfect, 7/32. Okay, this, and this blind is a perfect, and this distance is a distance is a 0.375. okay, okay, going to this position and going to this, okay, this is this, and okay, click okay. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and again select this right plane mirror, and select both 3 1, select 2 and 3. Okay, all is mirror. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct, and select this 0.001 inch, and select all face. Okay, all face is a 1/1 is a select here, then this okay, this is a perfect, and and select this. At first select both first and second and select a mirror. This is a red. Okay, all is perfect. Both is a this, and going to this and select a fillet and use here this, and going to face this face, and this one by one is this all face is select here. Okay, this face and this face, this face, this face and this face. Okay, all is select here one by one. This face. Okay, all is correct. Okay. Okay, and isometric view is this, and one by one all point is learn here, and this is a perfect cutting here. Okay, and this face sketch drawing this metal is chromium because this is some lighting, and okay, and okay. Okay, and guys, all point one by one is discussed here, and you can see here on the screen. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today discuss here housing design of this is a roots blower project. And guys, this project is a roots blower project, and how to all parts is assemble here, and at first all parts is drawing here easily and clearly, and how to all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is all parts is assemble here. But this is a project, this part is a housing design, and this is a body of a roots blower project, and this is a perfect design here, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and all dimension and all geometry is looking here, you can see here on the screen, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and one by one all geometry is one by one is used here, and this body is a design here. Okay, this body is design, and how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all is looking perfect and correct, and this body is looking all okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct, and this is correct. Okay, guys, all parts is one by one is drawing here, and this body is drawing easily and clearly, and this is this design is also draw here. Okay, and this loops is loops is a design here, and this loops is this okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and part is this is and some setting is very important, and this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane because all this front view is all geometry, a large number of geometry is looking here. At first select this two center point. This two center point is a slot is created here, and this distance between 2 point is 89.69 millimeter. Okay, and this radius, this diameter is 20 millimeter. This both is created here, and this is a perfect, and this is a a full is a slot is this is a radius is 96. Okay, select a front plane, slot is created here, this state slot first point, and this is a second point, and this slot is created here. Okay, and this distance is this distance is 89.69 millimeter, and this is a 96 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And going to this is a fully defined because all is color is black color, and going to extrude is this thickness is a 10 millimeter because this thickness is a 10 millimeter is this. Okay, okay, and again select this front plane and sketch normal. Okay, and this use this and select this select two circle is drawing here. First circle is this, and second circle is this. Okay, and both is equal. Select both and press a control button and select this equal, and equal is this and this smart dimension is used here, and this is a 20 millimeter is this. Okay, and again okay, and again draw this two circle drawing here. First circle is this is a 139.5. this is a circle is this, and again select this is a 139.5. okay, a big circle is drawing here 111 millimeter is this. Okay, two circle is drawing here. This big circle is drawing here, and select both circle and press a control button and select equal, and going to this is a 139.5 millimeter, and some extra portion is delete here, trim here, this is a trimmed. Okay, and going to extrude and select this selected contours and select this. Okay, and select this and okay, okay, and this is a perfect, and again select this use here this perfect drawing here, this body. Okay, and select this okay, and select this and right click and going to this loop and select this and going to convert entities. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and going to this extrude boss. Okay, and select here this thickness is a total is 150 millimeter because this total thickness is a 150 millimeter because this upper length to lower length total distance is a 150 millimeter. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct, all is okay, and again select this and extrude cut. Extrude cut is direction is reverse, and going to this through all and going to this. Okay, and select this and select here this is this and going to this. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct, and select this face, sketch normal, drawing this okay, this part is drawing here, and at first select again state slot is created here, because this is a this and going to this use a 111 millimeter is this, and again select this going to this and right click, and this use a loop this loop, and going to this and convert entity is this. Okay, and drawing this, and center line is created here, this point to this point to this is a, and again select this point to this, connect to this point to this. Okay, and okay, this point to delete here and connect to this point to this. Okay, because this line is created here, this line is this, and this is a line, and this line is horizontal. Okay, and select this line and use a mirror entities and select this, and this is this, and okay, and select both line and select a mirror entities, and select this, and this is this, and okay, and this portion is trim here, this portion, and this is a trim here is this. Okay, extra portion is trim here. Okay, and this is this, and this line distance is this is a 50, and again this is a 50. Okay, again select this is line is this a 50, and again this line is a select here this line to 50. Okay, and all is perfect and correct, and this some extra portion is delete here, and extra portion is this, and this is a delete here, and this is a okay, and this is a delete here, and connect to a line, connect to this part is this, okay, to this, and this portion is delete here. Okay, and this portion is a trim, this portion is delete here, and this portion is delete here. Okay, and all point is this correct, and okay, and going to extrude boss, select this first, second, and third, and going to reverse, and this is a through all, and okay, and this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and going to this, and this is a through all, and going to this. Okay, and next part is this is a drawing here this, and select this upper part, and upper part is a drawing here this portion is create here, and this portion is this, and this is a hole is this created here this 15 and 8 number of 8, and this select this and created here this this is a 10 and number of person is 15. Okay, and created here easily. And this distance is very important, 13.13, and this hole is a diameter is 10. Okay, and this face sketch normal, and select this and okay, and drawing this part, and this is a okay, and delete here, and some face is this okay, and this use this person, and so okay, this showing here this and center line is created here, and going to this to this, connect to this to this, and again select this circle is this to this is a drawing here, and diameter is this point to this, and okay, and select this line is this line, and going to convert entities. Okay, and this point to this distance is this okay, and this point to this point, and this point is a distance 13.13. 13.13 is perfect. Okay, and this is a 10. Okay, and this is a fully defined and perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all is fully defined, and going to this is use this, and going to extrude cut is select here, and this is use a 13, this use a 30 millimeter is this, and okay, and this use a perfect drawing here, and this cut here this is a 40 millimeter is this, and okay, and this is a hide. Okay, but this point is created here this hole, and again select again select this select here this part, and mirror entities. Okay, and select here this and sketch is select here. Okay, this is select here. Okay, mirror entities, and select this, and select here this okay, and this use a mirror face. Okay, this use this and select here. Okay, and going to okay, this is a mirror. Okay, this use a pattern. Okay, some mistake point is this use a pattern, and going to this curve driven pattern is perfect. Okay, okay, this is a use this select here this sketch, and this number of 15 and equal spacing, and this is a select here this is a this. Okay, and this is a very important point is discussed here, and going to this transform curve, and this is a upward preview is showing here, but this is not perfect, and this offset curve is perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and going to this, and this is use 15 and equal spacing, and this is a offset curve and aligned to seed. All is perfect, and okay, okay, this is a very nice looking here, and select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing this, connect to this point to this, because this line is very important, and select this part is created here, and this is number of 8 is a circle is created here, create here 8 circle, and this small circle is diameter is 80 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 128 millimeter, and this is a bigger circle is 160 millimeter is this, and this thickness is a 30 millimeter. This height is 30 millimeter, and this thickness is upper side is 10 millimeter is this, and this is a draw a circle, a midpoint is select here and draw a 2 circle this, and first is a 80 millimeter, and second is this is a 128 millimeter is this. Okay, both is a perfect diameter is this, and going to extrude boss. Extrude boss is this, and this is a very important, and going to height is 30 millimeter, and direction is second is also, and going to up to next. Okay, and okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and very nice looking here, and also select this sketch, extrude cut. Extrude cut is select here this, okay, this is a, and select here and going to up to next. Okay, and okay, this is very nice looking here. This face, sketch, normal, draw a circle. Circle is this, a big circle, and this is a 160 is perfect, and this a small circle is also convert entities is better, and going to extrude cut. Extrude boss is apply here. This thickness is a 10 millimeter, and this is a upper side, and line is perfect. Okay. Okay, and select this face, sketch, normal, and this is a hole is cut out, and this is a cutout is this, and distance between center to this point is a 52 millimeter, and this is a 15 millimeter is diameter. Okay, and draw a circle. Circle is drawing here. Okay, this circle is drawing here this, and this use a 15 millimeter. Okay, and this point and this point is a 52. This, and select this point, select this center point, not okay, and select a center line is this to this is just connect to this, and this is horizontal. Okay, and automatic is this all is black color, means this is fully defined and perfect and correct, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is apply here, and this extrude cut is this is a 40 millimeter. Okay, and this user this, and also select a pattern is a use here this circular pattern, and going to this any this, and going to a feature is this, and pattern is a 8. This use a 360 degree and 8 pattern, equal spacing, and all is perfect and correct, and okay. Okay, this is better looking here, and also this is created here this and going to this whole, this is this part is created here, and this distance is 37.5 and diameter is 10. Okay, and distance between a center point to this is 200 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, and this is a thickness is 10 millimeter, and this small circle is 60 diameter, and big circle is 90 diameter, and this is 120 diameter. Okay, and select this plane is created here, and select this, and select this. A middle point is created here this, and select this plane, and select again select a plane, and plane distance is 200 millimeter is this distance is 200 millimeter, and plane is created here. Okay, this plane sketch, this plane, okay, sketch normal, this plane, and a sketch. Okay, and this plane select okay, this plane sketch. Okay, this is this plane is created here, this plane a sketch normal. Okay, and some plane is a drag here because this is a perfect. Okay, and draw a center line is connect to this point to this. Okay, and this is this point to this, and this is a first, second and third. Okay, and this use this is a 60, and this is a 60, 90 and 120 diameter is 3 circle is created here, 90 and 120, and 3 circle is 120. Okay, this 3 circle is drawing here one by one. Okay, okay, and going to this extrude boss. At first select this. Okay, this is select here this part, and going to this up to next. Okay, direction is this, and direction is this is and up to next is this. Okay, and select here this, and again select here this extrude boss, and this is thickness is 10, and this use direction is this. Okay, inner side is this 10 millimeter is thickness, and going to this, and the next part is cut out is this, and again select this, and select extrude cut. Extrude cut is this portion is cut out, and select up to next. Okay, this is a cut out, and going to this. Okay, and plane is hide. Okay, again select this face, sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is this, circle is draw here, and this circle is diameter is 10 millimeter. okay, and this point to this thickness is a 37.5 millimeter, okay, and this point and this point is a this is a horizontal, okay, this is a perfect, and this use a 37.5 and this is a 10 diameter, and this is a all is created here, a 8 circle is created here, and going to this extrude cut, this is a thickness, this is a height is a 30 millimeter is extrude cut is this, and okay, and okay, and this extrude cut is this, and going to pattern is a circular pattern, and this is a this select here, and this is a this face, and number of 8 pattern, and this face is select here, and 360 degree, and pattern is 8 and equal spacing, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this use a mirror, and mirror is perfect, drawing here, select a mirror, and going to this mirror face is this, and okay, and going to this plane is created here, and this body is select here, this is a first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and okay, this body is mirror here, okay, and this is a this plane is hide, okay, and next part is lobe is created here, this lobe is created here, and all part is one by one is created here, but this part is a lobe is a create here, this, okay, and select here this, okay, and select here this this slot is created here, okay, and going to this face sketch normal, and going to this right click, and this lobe, and select this, okay, this all part is created here but not use, and draw a slot, this slot is created here, this, okay, this is this, but this part, this line and this line is select here, and going to this is a coradial, okay, this is a very very important relation, and again select this offset, offset is only 8 millimeter is this, and select this add dimension, and going to this offset, offset is this 8 millimeter, and okay, okay, and select a very very important, and select this all edge is select here, and this use a convert entities, and press a control button and select all 6 edge and use a convert entities, okay, and this use a perfect, and some extrude boss piece apply here, and select this, okay, not this is this first and second, and this is a third, and direction is a reverse direction, and this is a 10 millimeter is this, and okay, all is perfect, and okay, but use a pattern is used here. Select here a linear pattern, and this is use a edge is select here, and this and this cutout is this. This is a select here this but this distance is 20 millimeter. Okay, this distance is 10 millimeter, and this loop is a 10 millimeter is. Okay, this is a spacing and instance, and this distance is 20 millimeter, and this is a 8, and okay, this loop is a created here easily and clearly, and back side is a perfect loop is created here. You can see here on the screen, and isometric view is this. Okay, and going to this paint and appearance, and this is painted, and this is this. Okay, and all is one by one is created here. And guys, all point is one by one is all point is learn here, and one by one is created here. And this body is this housing body, and this body is a roots blower project body is designed here easily and clearly. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.
you.